Our job is to teach you, help you, and show you what to do. So when you have success and you make profits here, 100% of the profits are your profits, okay? Number 3, throughout the academy, myself, any of the educators or the entire program, or any speakers that come up today are not licensed financial advisors, okay? So when we're talking about trade or trade ideas, you can use them, but at your own risk and own liability. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, and last but not least, maybe throughout the today, we might have some students sharing their success or their results. Here's the one thing I want to say. Past performance does not equal future results, okay? Just because they made money in the past does not mean that we're indicating it's going to happen in the future. Is everybody on the same page?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Here's the real reason, guys, why we're the most successful academy finally here in Canada, where we're growing faster than anything ever before, and this is the key element to all of our success here at the academy. How many people believe that honestly the key to success is having an amazing mentor? Okay? Guys, you want to get better at religion? Find a mentor. Want to get better at health? Find a mentor. Want to get better at business? Find a mentor. And if you wanted to learn how to trade today in 2020 coming up, okay, you found all of the best mentors in one academy in one place. Simply put, what we take students in, we do is we teach them how to follow a mentor correctly. When they follow the mentors correctly, they get the correct result. Absolutely, guys. So the first thing I did was what any 12-year-old, 13-year-old kid was going to do. I started working a job. When I started working a job, you guys, the first thing I realized was this. It didn't matter how nice you were, how educated you were, how much harder you worked than others, the paycheck's the same every Friday.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
You guys, so right away, it's not that I didn't want to work. I needed to make more money. I needed to get into industries that were going to allow me to have more money. So the first thing I did was I got into sales and marketing. And when I got into sales and marketing, the best thing about it was the fact that I had the ability to find mentors. When I found mentors, my first mentor said this to me and changed the course of my life. She said, Nafis, if you want to make big money, you got to get in big industries. How many people have heard that before?
Yes.
Absolutely, guys. Well, check it out. The first industry I got into was the telecom industry. Big industry?
Yes.
First year ever in my life, I'm 19, I'm making 6 figures. Later on in life, I decided to get into business consulting. I decided to do a lot of work with Canada's largest logistics company and own a logistics company myself. Big industry?
Yes.
Huge, you guys. Absolutely. Everything in the world connects by logistics. 2016, I get together with some friends. We decided to launch a travel company. Big industry?
Yes.
It's huge. $8 trillion. Throughout that, every single day, I'm doing my education, getting very experienced here in business, having a lot of success. But still today, nobody came to me, I don't know if they came to you, and said, the biggest industry is. Nobody's ever said that, yes? Well, check it out. I was blown away that it was in front of my face the entire time. You guys, the biggest industry in the world is the foreign exchange industry. It is the only industry in the world that is 5.3 trillion daily.
You got something of value, you got something that you can take home and share. How many people got something they're going to share? Yeah. How many people are ready to go get rich with Forex? All right, guys. How's everybody feeling? Yes, we are. All right. Now, why did I just do that, by the way, guys?
The mindset, my handwriting is bad, so I'm sorry. The mindset is, about 90% of trading, right? And then the skill, or like actually looking at charts, is like 10%, right? So I'm going to teach you guys this, and my normal training is just this, because I'm going into markets that are a little bit more experienced. What I realize about you guys is that you guys are brand new traders, and you might have looked over this, right? Yes. A lot of you are looking at trading as like a shiny object, right? A lot of you guys are looking at trading as a get-rich-quick type of thing, right? Even though we preach it's not, a lot of you are still looking at it like a get-rich-quick type of thing. Can you get rich quick trading? You for sure can get rich pretty quick trading, right? But you have to have the mindset, and the real key thing when it comes down to the mindset are a few things that I kind of wrote down. So I'm going to just write this stuff down, and I'm going to be breaking it down so you guys can just pull out my notes. I get more into story time and stuff like that, but I just really want you guys to just gain the value. I'm 23, from Dallas, Texas, Cowboys, yeah, right? So, yeah, that's that. I used to work at Verizon, can you hear me now type stuff? And, sometimes I go, I've spoken in like 13 countries, right? And sometimes I say that joke, and nobody knows what Verizon is, right? So it's like nobody laughs, so it's crazy. But when it comes down to it, I'm just average kid. I quit trading. I quit school, and I quit working at Verizon 2 months into trading. And it wasn't even because I had made any money yet, but it was more so I had so much belief that this would be something that would set me financially free, right? Now, I'm not telling you guys to quit your jobs and all the extra stuff, but what I am saying is that You know, I had to go through a lot of hardships today so I can teach you guys what not to do, right?
Nice.
Right? So when it comes down to it, the biggest things when it comes down to your mindset is this. You got to realize that whether you're a Wall Street trader or whether we're, you know, one of us, everybody loses. The bank loses trades. You're going to lose trades. You can't get emotional when it comes down to losing your trades, right? Trading it's very emotional because a lot of people are emotional with a few things, right? You're emotional with your you know, your friends, your family, your loved ones, and you're emotional with your money, right? Your finances. You know, obviously in trading, we're not trading our girlfriends and boyfriends and stuff like that, right? So when it comes down to it, what I want you guys to understand is that it's an emotional game, so you have to have discipline and rules to become a successful trader.